Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to remove footer section only from a specific page, not in the entire website, or how to remove the footer section from any single page or any individual page. If you are looking easy and fast tutorials without hiring any developer, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my website and I am on the shop page right now, and I wanted to remove the entire footer section from my website from my account page. So I'm going to open my account page. I wanted to remove the footer section only from this my account page, not entire website or from any other pages. So to do this, first I am going to click on the right button of my mouse. Then here is the dialog box and click on the inspect. From here I am going to click on the body and look very closely. There is a class page ID 33. So I am going to copy this class only. Okay, now inspect the footer. Here is the entry footer, and there also a class named site footer. Okay, click on the plus icon, new style rule. Click on the plus icon and add a class means dot, then add page ID class. This is the page ID 33. Then add this class site footer, Now going to add a simple CSS code, display none. Wow, the footer section has been removed from here, and now we have to add this code in the dashboard. So click on the right button of my mouse and select copy rules. Go to the dashboard, click on the customize under appearance and open additional CSS and simply paste this code, and finally click on the publish. Okay, we have done. Now check my website. So first I'm going to check my shop page. I am on the shop page and there is also footer section available, but if I go to my account page and looks here, there is no footer section. So we have done this very easily and very quickly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.